How to deploy a GitHub project on Railway. So you could do this directly in the Railway website itself, and when you sign in, you'll have the GitHub option. So you could do that to make it more direct. You could log in with the email though and have a different process, but in our case, we're gonna continue with GitHub. And it should just lead us to something like this. It's gonna ask for permission, like so. We're just gonna go ahead and authorize Railway. And once that is done, it should just bring us back to Railway like this. We can go ahead and answer all of this. We can agree to the terms and services and pretty much everything else. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is to deploy this, press that, and then go to our GitHub repository and just directly go to this kind of tab where it is your dashboard. But if you want to choose from your repositories, you can go back to the new over here and choose GitHub repository this time. And then it's gonna go ahead and search for repositories. But after the deployment starts, you could go to your project dashboard to add any required environment variables. And once the build finishes, Railway will give you a public URL where your app is live. Every time you push changes to GitHub, it will automatically redeploy your app. And if needed, you can also add a database from Railway's dashboard and link it to your project. So overall, it is a pretty quick process. You can connect, configure, and your app is online in just a few steps. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.